Guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you use Google Chat to send Google Meet link. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use Google Chat to send your invite link of your Google Meet, you just simply have to open the chat application, and after that simply open any of the inbox where you would like to send the invite link of your Google Meet. Now, after opening the chat, you will get to see this plus icon into the bottom left corner. Tap into that and then you will get to see this Meet link option. Tap to Meet link and then it will create a Meet link with your connected Gmail ID, and now you just simply have to tap to Send button. And after this, Google Meet link will successfully be sent, and you can join the Google Meet by tapping into this link. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.